Today, I want to show you a little trick when you have too many transactions to categorize and you want to save some time. So in this case here, we have over 9,000 transactions and we have it categorized, we have it sorted by date. And what you could do, that it's the slow way, is clicking on each one of these transactions, selecting the payee, the account, adding it, and then again, selecting the payee, the account, and then adding it. But this is going to take days for you to finish. So we want to use your time better. So let me show you a little trick. First thing we're going to do is make sure that 300 is selected here. So we have as many transactions as possible in the first screen here. And we will turn on grouping. What the grouping does is that it groups together everything that you click depending on what you choose, date, description, spent, received. Payee and category doesn't make much sense because we didn't add anything, it's just suggestions, so I wouldn't sort by these ones, but we will focus on the description. So when you click description, it will group together everything that has the same description from the bank. So for example, let's find a good one here. We have 1,000 roses. So you group together everything that is from 1,000 roses, and then you will click on this square where it has the name of it's usually the name of the business, so the transaction description here. You will edit, choose expense, choose the vendor, so you can put the vendor here, the account, let's suppose this is advertising, apply and accept. When you do that, all these 6 transactions are going to be categorized in one click instead of doing one by one. And that gets very nice when you have a lot of transactions of the same description. So for example, here, Adobe, we have 122. So we want to make sure that everything from Adobe is the same category. This, you will probably ask the customer, is it always office supplies and software, or you have something personal here, which they shouldn't. And then you click on the first square, edit, expense, Adobe, account, which is normally software, apply and accept. All the 122 are going to be categorized. And then, for example, let's find another one that it's a good one here. Let's go to the next page. We have, for example, here, this is very nice. You have 300 Amazons. So Amazon is a little tricky because it could be a lot of different things. Could be personal stuff, could be office supplies, but let's just say that your client, or for your company, that everything from Amazon is office supplies. So you will do the same thing, click here, edit, Amazon, office supplies, accept it, and in one click, everything, all those 300 transactions will go to the same category.